the quote of the day is, alone we can do so little, but together as a team we can do so much. It means that there's a limit to what one person can do, but as a team we can do something more impressive than what one person can do. Do you want to know what does MSL means? MSL is a mission service learning activity where people help another by teaching, assisting, and helping each other in a various way. By the way, MSL is a one of means that channels your potential, passion, and talents. And also, MSL is usually held in schools, especially Christian schools.
Last April 2024, we SDN Harapan high school students went on a trip called Live In to Samigalu. It is located in Yogyakarta, Indonesia. Live In is one of our experience of living with family there. During Live In, we also had the opportunity to carry out our mission service to children at school. The activities we do during MSL is that we educate children in a remote village. Okay, we teach kindergarten to elementary school at Catholic school named Prince Heller School.
The mission service learning that I do is teaching grade 3 elementary school students. My group and I explain about waste management to them so that they know how to manage waste. Apart from explaining, my group and I also practice example of waste management by making crafts from waste. And in between activities, we also did some games together, so my group and I can get to know them well.
Me and my group teaches the Prince Heller's playgroup about gradation and sketch. It is because we want to develop the children's creativity, imagination, and potential toward their environment they are in. But not only that, we also played various of games with them, such as mind games, Domikado, and competitive game musical chair. Because by playing, children are developing communication skills and a strong bond towards each other.
Me and my group educated grade 4 children about proper waste sorting, about the difference between organic and inorganic waste, and also how dangerous plastic waste is for our environment. The real action that we took was to create separate trash bins for organic and inorganic waste, so that children get used to sorting a waste properly from an early age. Anyway, why must students do MSL and why MSL important for students?
MSL is not just where people help one another for the lack of interest, but it's a mission where the students of SDH can provide the gift of God, such as knowledge, skill, wisdom, talents, potential, and much more to people, so that they can witness the love of Christ. MSL doesn't just teach you about learning. It shows you how to develop new skills in different environments and learning new things from people, such as educating students, communicating with new people in all around the world, and learning their languages and cultures. But the most important is being part of it, being part of the service that you are in, because you could feel a sense of togetherness among the people you help or contributed during the service.
Mission service learning is very important to the people in the world, especially for those who do not or have not had the opportunity to study or do not have the adequate facilities. The reason students must do MSL is that it teaches them to interact and adapt to a new people and to children who have a different characteristics.
Mission service learning can also meet various community needs ranging from environmental needs, education, social services, and others. In mission service learning, students usually plan a specific activity program to serve the local community. For example, doing community service to meet environmental needs, for teaching and learning activities to meet educational needs. Through planned work programs, students can share ideas, energy, enthusiasm with the community, which is useful for improving community resources, quality of life, and stronger community ties.
In the end, we realize that humans are social creatures who cannot live alone without the help and love of others. We cannot grow by ourselves. Just look at the plants. If we don't water them, then the plants will never grow and it will die and will never be beautiful. As long as we live on the earth, we need help from others and we also need to help others so that we can grow together.